Day 51, becoming financially free, testing side hustles. I did a split test. I was driving traffic to this opt-in page and I decided to create another one with my picture. And I started to send 50% of the traffic to these two pages. This is the second page and I put my picture here because I saw that many people unsubscribe from my email list. These are my stats. The variation with my picture has 21% of opt-in rate and without the picture 11%. That means that I'm collecting more emails with my picture. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to declare this opt-in page as a winner. What I did is that I was driving traffic to these two pages and I choose the second one because it has higher opt-in rate. That means that I'm going to collect more leads with this one, sending the same traffic. The concept of this opt-in page is simple. I have here my affiliate offer. I'm promoting this product that I didn't create. And before sending people to this offer, I put this opt-in page to collect a name and an email address. And then I can do the follow-up through email marketing. And inside of these emails, people are going to find my affiliate links and also valuable information. But more importantly, I'm building my list. And once I have this list, I can promote multiple affiliate offers. Let me show you. Inside of my GetResponse account, I have 945 emails. And if I want to promote a product, I can go to email marketing. Then I can click here on create a newsletter by myself. Then I can write a subject line, choose my recipients. These are my lists. Then I can design the message. And in this section, I can write the email. In some affiliate programs, they give you the emails. Check this out. For example, this high-ticket program, Freedom Accelerator, has these email swipes. And I can use all of these emails to promote that program. I just need to click on one and I can copy this text and then paste it here. And here where it says new way, I can add my affiliate link. The next step is to click on next and I can send the message immediately or I can schedule for later. That's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.